In this video, we're going to be focusing on the hue, saturation, and lightness of an image. So in order to access this, if we go here, and from here, we now click on hue, saturation, just here. As you can see, we can now adjust our hue and our saturation and our lightness. Okay, so what is meant by hue is basically the color that's used for our image here. So as you can see, we can either scale downwards like so, and we can scale upwards. And as you can see, as we're doing this, our color is changing for our image, and we can combine this with our saturation. And saturation refers to the vibrance and the purity of the color that's used on the image. So as you can see, as we're scaling down here, it's becoming much less pure, and as we're scaling upwards here, the purity and the vibrancy is increasing. And we've also got our lightness, and this is just how light the image is or how dark we can go with our image.